guests and partners in public service, with the highest of salutation and great honor, I welcome you all to our PCL Month celebration with the theme, Counselors at the Heart of Marigon, may nusuwagon, ngan malipayon, nga Nortehanon.
Diri ini para sa ato, ay ato ginihimo yan na, no? Para ini sa mga masunod pa nga mga henerasyon nga dihan sa aton probinsya, no? Permi nato isipon ang future sa aton province. Kay kita dali man lakit sa kalibutan, no? Pero at least man lang maistorya mangkit sa mga masunod nga henerasyon nga ini nga aton mga konsehales, mga leaders sa aton probinsya nakahimo sin sugad sini nga putang para sa ato. No, so sa iyo nga tanan, mabuhay ang PCL Northern Samar Chapter.
On September 6, we will hold the first PCL Fun Run and Zumba. Here, we do not run alone. We run united with everybody. Youth, professionals, government workers, and all are our constituents. This is not just about health and fitness. It is a symbol of how progress requires us to move together in one direction, in one goal. On September 19 in the morning, we will join Tauswagan Caravan. Starting today, the PCL will now be part of the monthly caravan initiated by the provincial government. We will be kicking it off with the municipality of Mapanas, together with its Sangguniang Bayan members. This way, the PCL is not only present in ceremonies, but also consistently present on the grounds, serving, listening, and working hand in hand with our people. These activities, running united, joining the caravan, and celebrating together, are proof that our PCL is alive, energetic, and leading with a purpose. As your PCL President, I am proud to stand with you. Together, let us truly be at the heart of Marigon, Mainuswagon, ngan malipayon,